Hey, another video update, because it's just right now it's easier to do videos than a camera, and honestly my camera died because I forgot to charge it in Germany, so yeah, I dropped the ball on that one. But I'm currently on the top of the wall, the fortress wall of Akko, and behind me, some cannons, again my friend Eric, and it's just really beautiful. And off in the distance there, so back over there, I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Yeah, you can see it. It's the mosque, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. It's a mosque. And off in that distance. Say what? The Al Jazar Mosque is the name of that mosque right there. And this is just, it's been like really, really rainy, which is kind of like ruining my perspective of Israel when it comes to weather. But you know me, I'm all about breaking stereotypes. So yeah, so this is me in front of the Agamos Mosque and Israel, Akko Israel. Tonight I'll go back to Haifa for spend the night. Maybe if it's not raining too much tonight, I can go up and climb the stairs. But they kind of closed it just because they don't want anybody slipping and falling and rolling down 19 flights of stairs into a city dead. So it's a no-go. But tomorrow, going to Nazareth, where I'll go just kind of trek around and see that area. And then go to a festival. Yeah, I'll go to a festival in Haifa in the evening, and then I'll take a bus after the whole, because they do Sabbath from Friday afternoon until Saturday afternoon. So Saturday afternoon is when the buses restart back up. So I'll take a bus from Haifa in the afternoon, evening, back over to Tiberias. So I'll get there in the late evening, but then I'll spend 2 days in Tiberias. So a lot of fun. It's kind of like my rough plan for what's going on. My friend Eric actually had like the same itinerary as me, which is like really random and weird, but it's really cool. So we'll be in Bethlehem together at the same time, and then Petra at the same time, which is like really weird. But yeah, so that's about it for my update, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.